tell me what's new for you. I love when you give your opinion
Yes.
on the craziness that goes on social media. It's hilarious.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Sometimes me dip on the media, I see some things, and me watch some things, and things just come in my head and say, yeah, man. Give your point of view, give your opinion, and we just share it, and people love it. People love the vibes. Yeah, man. Well, musically right now, you know, I a few months ago I released a brand new EP titled Unchained,
Yes.
and that consists of um four tracks.
Mm.
You know, it's doing well. It's available on all download
Platforms.
platforms. You know,
Mhm. So
including
Spotify, you can name them out like that for persons who know and don't know. Just say it out.
yeah, man. Even right here on TikTok, the songs are available. You know what I mean? People can tune in even here on TikTok and check out the music.
And you know what they can do as well, which I find is fun for the artists that I want to support. When I'm making my posts, I include their songs.
Yes, that is really, really, really good. That's a good thing.
I
Yeah,
think that is so cool for your fans to keep that in mind that in every way they can support you.
yeah.
Once they get your sounds out there, it is a form of support and it goes a far way.
That's
Because
true.
once your music is being played, you benefit, don't you?
True. Exactly. 'Cause we're
Um,
living in the age of streaming and all these.
Technology and all that type of stuff.
Yeah.
Um, where that is concerned, the talent aspect of it, you have it locked, right? You
Mhm.
are a professional, your sound is clean and clear. And honestly, a lot of artists who are just coming in the business, they don't have that. And in their brains, they think they do,
Yeah.
but you can notice the difference for someone who truly has it locked.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying to you? It,
Yeah,
it
man.
almost sounds like when you go back and you listen to the Bunny Wailers, the Peter Tosh, the Bob Marley, you can hear in the voice how clean and clear it is.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying to you? And artists will say, "Oh, I'm an artist," but if they truly listen to themselves, you wonder, you know, you're yourself.
Yeah, yeah, you see, sometimes it's maturity, and experience, and sometimes how long you've been in the business, and because in my journey, I made a lot of experiences whereby, for example, I recorded a song, and in the studio when I finish record, it sounds really good. I like the sound of my voice just naturally. But sometime when an engineer get down and mix, when they finish mix the song, yeah, it's like, yeah, I wonder if is this the song I recorded a few days ago or last week or so, because
Got you.
them never put in the work, that kind of work. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Sometimes them drown their voice, put it way down there one gully, and some type of things where them put upon your voice make you sound like you learn for DJ, you learn for sing.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I've experienced these kind of things,
Hmm.
which sometimes it used to bothers me, because when I put in the work, when I burst a brain to bring out the
To
lyrics,
create the lyrics, yeah.
the
Hmm.
lyrics and the melodies and the flow and all of these things, and then you
Yes.
just see it going down the drain because of some
Not having the right
yeah, you know what I mean?
engineer or producer, really, yeah, I
Yes,
understand what you're saying.
yeah, because sometimes some type of professionals mix some of them songs that we may tell about. But here what happen now, you see, when it comes to genre music now, you have some people them good in mixing, for example, funk music, for example, or dance floor music or hip hop. See, and anybody can mix reggae and dancehall. You know what I mean?
Got you.
Reggae
Got
and
you.
dancehall with drum and bass, and that it have a sound.
Yeah.
And yeah, if you have you can't mix reggae and dancehall like the way you mix pop music and this type of thing. And
Whoa.
I think that's some of those engineers' fault. You know what I mean?
Wow. You know what? Thanks for giving us that insight because I had not seen it like that.
Yeah,
I thought music is music. So once a person's a professional, all they have to do is just tweak a little here and tweak a little there, and it don't make a difference. But you're saying no because of so much why the dance hall and the reggae music has to be dealt with different, and only a professional ear would understand that.
exactly,
Hmm.
exactly.
Wow. New.
While on the other side, you have people who study how to mix reggae and dancehall music from other genre. They study it. Quite a few
Yes.
of them study it. So now them getting better. But for example, when I just
Yeah.
came to Germany, I was having a serious time. I just came to Germany at 29 years old. I was
How badly
really,
did it affect your music when you came to the realization that persons in wherever you're at the time were not able to handle the music that you're presenting? How hard was it did it
well,
affect your music much?
yeah, it affected much. You know, not all of the songs, but when you do a song where say, you see this song, it's the song.
Got it.
And then now, because it's a technical thing, you see, mixing and mastering is very technical,
Yes.
especially the mastering, because you can record the song very good, you can mix the song very good, but the mastering is the final touch. And you can mix the song, you can record the song, it sounds very great. You mix it, it sounds very great. But if you do not know what you're doing in the mastering touch, you can spoil the whole thing and let that song sound like some mass production, some little amateur type of thing. You know what I mean? So
So
that
one of our friends online is saying, big up yourself, Shaki Murray.
big up, yeah man, large up man, full for respect.
Oh my God.
Yeah
But
man. Roddy Irie, big up yourself in a general. Roddy Irie, big up yourself, family.
from time to time we have to acknowledge them. We can't ignore them, because they will participate and they want to hear what go on.
Yeah man, yeah man, definitely, Yeah, man. So back in them day there, when we just came to Europe, we really faced some of them challenges there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So um, then we had to look back to Jamaica. I said, okay, we have to go send some of them songs go down a Gussie Clark. What Gussie Clark establishment name was? Um,
I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
yeah.
But once you tell the name, many persons in Jamaica know what you're talking about.
Once you say Gussie Clark, everybody's supposed to know.
True, true.
So them,
That is true.
yeah, them used to do a lot of mixing and mastering for us back then
Right.
to give that sound.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah. But now,
Is there
yeah, continue, please.
no man, you're saying, but no, go ahead.
Yeah, but now it's getting better because people them really study the thing and they've been in the thing for so many years, so them study it. Some of them got it, and when I say 80, between 80 and 90, but some of them still don't know what.
Yeah, they haven't connected yet with really how to manage our music.
Yeah, yeah. You know what I
One
mean?
of the things I want to ask you is that I've been talking earlier on a live I had in regards to giving the flowers before people pass on.
Hmm.
Don't wait until they're not even hear you. They not even know what is going on. Them gone already, gone sleep for
Adapt,
life.
adapt me. I try to tell them, say, you know, you better give me my own right now, you know. Me want it now, you know.
Same side go.
Tell them, yes, want my one now. Yes, because
What? Go ahead.
it's best to have it now.
Mhm.
Hmm.
And there's a lot of things that we can change. There's a lot of things we can change, Shaki Murray,
Yeah,
because probably in the minds of the persons who are in the industry and run certain aspect of the music may think that that's okay, but in reality, people want to be acknowledged while they are around.
exactly.
What are
And
some of the things you would like to see happen for some of the artists who are here still, who are mature in the business?
well, one of the main thing is this exact thing that we're talking about now.
Mhm,
You know what I mean?
mhm,
And show them that you appreciate what they have done
mhm.
and even still doing. You know what I mean? Yeah.
So, so you need to see like what more persons. Tell me, speak out. Like, what type of stuff would you like? If someone who's having a listening ear out there, what type of stuff would you be proud of being a part of? You know what I'm saying? You want to be on a top 10 billboard somewhere? What? What are the things you'd like to see? What
Well,
makes sense to you?
I mean, all the good things, you know, that align with a one musical,
Acknowledging the quality.
yeah, yeah, you know, and certain accolades, and you know, because it take a lot. Many people may not know how much energy it takes to make music. It look easy to some people, but it's a brain thing. You know what I mean? And when you put in the work, you know, cause it's also stressy. There's a lot of stress and all these things. And
Yeah.
when you're getting back that acknowledgement, it's a good feeling.
It makes it much easier.
Yeah, exactly. And if you're not,
Yes.
if you're putting in the works and stress and all these things, and also investment monetarily and all these things, and you're not getting that acknowledgement, I think that is what mess up a lot of artists up here. So yeah, a lot of artists go crazy. A lot of them end up them days shorten. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah, so yeah, I mean, for me as an artist, sure, I would like to, yeah, lick up the Billboard chart and
Yay.
go up on the podium and grab a Grammy and say, thank you, people. Thanks to all my
Yes.
fans. This
Yes.
is for us. Yeah,
Yes.
thanks to the Almighty God and all the people who support Shakin Murray. I thank you for this thing here. And so on and so forth, you know? Yeah.
Yes. The other thing I want to ask of you, I may have to get some light in here for myself to just brighten. So you're not totally, so you can see me still. But before I go, I'm just going to take 2 seconds to do it. Um, I asked you earlier about success in the industry, and you mentioned something to me that was so powerful. You said you determine what is success. Is
Yeah,
that what you said to me?
yeah, yeah.
What is success for you?
Well,
Because society claims success is being able to buy the biggest cars, biggest houses. You know what I'm saying to you? But what is success for you in the industry?
I mean, success for me in the industry is that the works I put in and the message I convey in my music reach the people. You
Yes.
understand? And
Mhm.
I'm being acknowledged for these things. You know what
Yes.
I mean? That is success.
Woo, there I am.
That is success for me right there. The message that
Yes.
I convey in my music, it reaches people. It saves lives. It brings happiness to people. It brings joy. You know what I mean? And all these things. That is for me success. It's for me. It's not all about having the money pile up like this. Come money, come. Yes, cause we need it. We have to pay bills.
Yes.
We have children to take care of. We have our families. We have our friends, and we have people who would like to help
Mm-hmm.
monetarily. We'd like to do charities and all these type of things. You
Mm-hmm.
know what I mean? But
Yes.
money and big house and cars and all these things that some people define as success. You know what I
Mm.
mean? My
Yes.
definition is different. You know what I mean?
I
Yeah.
get
If
it.
money come, forward. If big house come, forward. See, we know if we angle them thing there, we know if we control them thing there. See, and
Mm-hmm.
balance. You know what I
Mm-hmm.
mean? So, yeah, because there are many people that, you know, they are famous, they are wealthy, and they have everything, and those are the people that many people, or the majority of the people, see as successful people.
Mm.
But how many of these people are happy? You know what I mean? Many of these
True.
people, they are not happy.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? Some of them are not happy for many different reasons still, but some of them also are not happy because of the things that they might have done to reach
To
where they
get
are.
there. Ooh.
And it's the overs. So
Ooh.
that's another thing.
Jesus
So
God, you just tapped on something crazy.
yeah, man.
Sometimes
Because
you forget about that.
you see, I'm in the music industry, you know, and I've seen and heard and know a lot of things. You know what I mean? And I know to get there, it's not easy. It's ain't easy.
Got you.
I've turned down big contracts
Because of the conditions.
out of the conditions.
Hmm.
And
It doesn't work with your
yeah,
sense of integrity and character and all these things.
exactly. And I was looking very far wide in the future. I was
Yeah,
looking at the repercussion. You know what I mean?
I got you.
I
Got you.
grew with my grandmother. I grew with my mom,
Mhm.
my grandmother, my great grandmother. And
Yes.
they taught me since I was a kid, tie your toe before it cut. This always ringing in my head. So whenever time I came across things like this
Yeah.
in the past, where okay, I'm seeing fame, I'm seeing riches and all of that coming my way, but the
Yes.
condition is not does not compatible with my vibration.
Oh my gosh.
So what came to the mind? Tie your toe before it cut. I rather lie in my bed and sleep peacefully
Wow.
and wake up tomorrow and know that okay, I look in my kitchen. What I don't have much. Okay, I find a banana and a coconut. I still can eat, but yet
Yeah.
I am at peace with myself rather than to wake up and have the world but cannot sleep peacefully in my bed.
Yeah.
That's another
That,
thing. You know what I
that
mean?
is crazy though. The fact that you said it, you know what I'm saying to you, being a legend and a, you know,
Yeah.
um, seasoned artist,
Mhm.
touring around the world and stuff like that. For you to say that, that connects differently
Yeah, man. Definitely, you know.
because
So
we've heard of cases,
yeah, 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 man.
and I don't. Of course, I'm not gonna ask you details, but I know probably you've heard of cases, and you shake your head, say, "Ay, ay, ay,
A lot of them.
Jaja." You say, Jaja.
A lot of them I heard of. I heard of lot of them.
It's crazy.
Man, I went into productions with big, some of the biggest labels
Yes.
right here in Germany,
Yes.
and we did quite a few songs,
Hmm.
and I was to be signed, but like I said, the condition, no. I turned it
Wow.
all down. And even when
Yeah.
they tried to convince me by asking me, do you have children? And I said, yes. Their question was, you don't know, you don't want to put them through college and university? And my reply was like, yes, sure, but I'm not going to defile myself for that.
Oh my gosh.
You know,
Crazy.
this is where I started to learn that this music industry, it's not an easy thing. Yeah, and sometimes the things ones have to do to really climb up the top.
Hmm.
Very, very, very terrible thing. It's not a,
Crazy.
it's not an easy thing.
Yeah.
That's why you see so many artists. They are very talented. They have beautiful voice. They have the image, the charisma, and everything, but
Mhm.
they get nowhere. And people been asking, "Oh, this,
When next? Why? When
why?"
next? Why? Oh,
Yeah,
comes.
these are some of the reasons why you see some artists who very talented
Mhm.
and get nowhere.
Got you. Got you.
Mm.
Do you find that it is hard to connect with your people? And your people meaning the people who have the awareness of culture, integrity, character, and that mattering in what you do. Is it hard to connect with them?
No.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
So you have a certain set of people that, they too understand the lifestyle and, it's easy in Germany.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
That's wonderful.
Yeah,
Okay. So it's
man.
not so hard because I'm thinking, boy, how are you able to connect,
Yeah, man.
with the real folks?
Yeah, man. Mechanic from the very first moment we put my foot in a German mechanic.
Hmm.
First, sure, I did in
Yeah.
Germany.
Yeah.
Mechanic because you see the Germans them now. Me have to big up the Germans them now. Yeah, man, me have to big them up because you see the Germans them love reggae and they love dancehall. Then no matter if they want to understand what you say. You know, so you have to feel the music. You see it? And you just go up and dip that and rough it up and make two skank and two baba and whale and all them type of
And they're on board.
yeah, man. And them
Mhm.
did it. And them study the patois.
Mhm.
So even now, you find more and more and more and more Germans speaking patois
Mhm.
and understanding what we are singing about.
Are there like restaurants and what is in Germany that is connected with, Jamaica? Is there food places? What is there? Groups for people to connect with our culture in Jamaica? Is there anything like that yet?
Well, I would say the still music, the music, the music,
Oh, okay.
the music brings us together, especially on certain events. You know what I mean? Like, because in the summertime, you have many reggae festivals and they have some events, they have workshop and stuff like that.
Mhm.
So,
So,
yeah.
so you can get Jamaican food there?
Well,
Not so much, not as yet.
not so much, but in some major cities,
Okay.
Like Berlin.
Yes.
Yeah, I remember I did a show in Berlin and they took me to one Jamaican restaurant. And yeah, man, me feed up, man. Yeah, in Hamburg,
Wonderful.
in place there, like place like maybe Hamburg and Berlin, Cologne, and the
Hmm.
place there you find them thing there.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
But the Jamaican culture is very, very popular
Yes.
in Germany.
So, question. In the years of being in the industry, I'm sure that you've had challenges. You've had friends that were no longer friends. You've had co-workers, persons you have thought were along the way for the long haul, and it didn't quite work out like that. Um, do you mind, I don't know, giving me some of the experiences you've had, or even one that kind of rubbed you the wrong way, or brought it to your knee almost to say, "Whoa, he was like my brother. How could he betray me like this?" And how were you able to move forward in the industry?
Well, I made a lot of that experience.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah, and this is a part of the journey that is painful.
Yes.
Yeah, 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 and it's bring about sadness and all these things.
Hmm.
But you have to just strong up in your heavens and just hold it and know, say, well, then, a flesh. You know what I mean? Yes. So, okay, you know what? One time, me and my virgin are stepping, then, and we are artists and we are step, and, you know, a rhythm come about, a beat come about, and me do a song on the beat, and the virgin do a song on the beat, and so on and so forth. So me I push my song now, you know,
Yes.
and the song end up in a run mushet and the IRFM crew.
Team, yay! Big up, Ari.
Don't have this radio station and when you zip and you end up down at some next year. What the next one in RGR them and it a go on.
Go
So
on.
we try to in a Jamaica now. If you do the video, see I'm do the video and then me premiere it on Hype TV
Hmm.
and then now it end up on CVM and it end up on RETV and it a go on with itself.
Yay!
But guess what, The virgin, when me and him up on the same rhythm, him not happy for I. And me never know. You know what I mean? It's a virgin when me just used to go check regular. We cook, we eat, we run joke, we watch movies, we laugh, we chat, we build music together. Until we was doing a project that was run by a lady, a German lady, and she organized an interview, a radio interview here in Germany for us. No, this really this Jack. No, he came to interview us. Cause it wasn't a live interview. It was like an interview. They make it and then they put it over the radio station.
Yes.
And we went to one place. The I was sitting on one end. The virgin was sitting on one end, and the interviewer was sitting in the middle of us,
Hmm.
between the two of us. So when it come down to that particular song, this man was so straight. He never itch. When it come down to this song now, he started to ask me questions about the song. And I was answering them and he said, oh, because this man's here, he was angry because he was complaining and saying a lot of things about you, that you take the song and you do this and you do that, and he's mad at you. And here he's sitting right here beside you now. No, I can laugh. I was shocked. I was really, really shocked. And him shocked, me shocked, and it was a thing. That was one of experience, one of my experiences in regards to the question you asked.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. That's crazy though. How
So
were you able to move on from that? I mean, was it sudden move on, or like it took you a day or a while to say, "Oh my God, this person really not with me"?
it took me a while still because it started to. nothing is independent. One thing lead to another. So in my cranium, in my head, a lot of things, a lot of thoughts start to come in my head. Like, oh gosh, like for example, oh gosh, look how the man that deal with me behind my back. I mean, I know. I'm a bird, me and him go me go in yard and cook, we eat. This person could have done me anything.
Yeah.
You get what I say? So all these things are come in my head now. So it also make me more vigilant, more be careful. You understand?
So who you have and embrace in your circle.
Yes, exactly. But you know what? Then again, these things make me stronger. You know? These things make me stronger and so me move on and throw it behind.
Mhm.
Yeah.
From time to time, do you think back though, like, wow, that was my brethren. We were so cool. From
Yes.
time to time, you remember?
Yes, yes. Because we had some great times. We had some
Crazy.
very, very great time from backyard straight to
Mhm.
Europe. We on tour in a tour bus. We had some great times.
Mhm.
Yeah, yeah.
You speak of touring. Give me some insight on one of your tours. Where the different places you went, and something that you found very comical at the time. Something that happened on the tour. You know, something going away just have a laugh, and
Well, I don't know.
just a life is wonderful.
Call the name still, but I don't call the name for the thing still, but one time we had tour with Junior Mervin.
Mhm.
See, we had tour in a Germany and Netherlands and them place there. And so one of my virgin now, one of my artist virgin now, he have been a false teeth saying, and it's a man will chill the girl them when they must sing, The girl them be me I tell her trouble when they must sing. All I girls them a cry out and a scream out. And believe me, man, me say one night the man hold a note on the stage, through rum. And the man hold a note, man, and when me look, man, I man teeth, me say fly out up in the air sky, so man. And I go over and yo, me say when they drop in at the crowd, me I tell a man, drop in at the crowd in a rasta. Me I tell him, we laugh, because it's funny. We laugh
Were you?
when we're backstage now and, we saw one lady, one African lady bring it forward. African lady pick it up down in the crowd there and bring it forward.
Oh
Yeah.
my God, have mercy. That's crazy though.
Yeah, man, that's crazy and funny at the same time because, you know, at the moment the virgin did kind of one way, but after a few days, he might laugh at him oneself, man, because watching a camera running. So that they on video. Let's see it. So when I kick my car, but we base and I watch all the video. All him a laugh, and he laugh till he roll off on his sofa, man. You
Oh
see
my
it?
God.
Yeah, man. One of the funny moments.
Moments in your
Yeah,
touring
on the road.
experience. So, when you were touring, some of the places you said you went to was Neverland. Where else?
Well, Netherlands, Switzerland, Germany, Denmark. Oh gosh, man. Almost,
Name it.
name it. Almost all of Europe,
Hmm.
Africa, just to name a few places. Far as,
Where can, go
as
ahead.
far as Kosovo, from Battlefield, War Ground.
Mhm.
Yeah, man.
Where will you be touring next? Where's your next,
Well,
location that your potential fans can say, "Oh, he's coming to our town. He's gonna be near us."
something is in the pipeline for Gambia and Senegal in couple of months. So Gambia, the Gambian people them.
Yay! I'm sure that they're cheering.
Watch out. Shaquille Morris coming back. Zane, Shakin Morris coming back, man. You know, see,
Wonderful.
yeah, man.
Wonderful.
So, you know, say,
Shaki Murray,
the
go
west side
ahead.
of Africa, eh?
Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm sorry to interrupt you. Me too excited at that.
Yeah, man. So, the west side of Africa, we have a lock it, man. Because, hey, let me tell you something, Kisha, I'm going to tell you something, You see, Africa are the place. You see, let me tell you something. I go many places in the world, go do music. But I've never go nowhere where I get this welcome, this love. I get love everywhere, but you see the love where Africa give you,
Yes.
it's a different level of love that. And welcome. Yeah, man, may I tell you, man, it's amazing. Yeah, man.
Wonderful. Wonderful to know.
Wonderful.
That's the thing about it. When you're in Jamaica or do you think that, do you feel sad to not get the support or love? Are you getting love from Jamaicans? I don't want to assume. I'm asking.
Well, not the way the way I want it to be.
Yes.
But sure, there are many people in Jamaica that are showing me love. Many people.
Mm.
I tell you, even this thing that we're talking about, TikTok.
TikTok.
Yeah,
They love you.
sometimes I post some of my song, like me post a little clip,
Mhm.
and people, me inbox pack, we never know say you sing that song there.
Nice.
You know what I mean? So,
Yeah, yeah.
some people them in some kind of like Jamaica, they want where
Really love
I
the
support
music.
the support, you
Yeah.
know, and thing, but me notice something with Jamaica.
Mhm.
Jamaica no really give Jamaican artists who live abroad that strength. And we have many, many great artists, many great Jamaican artists who live abroad, like the USA, Germany, Switzerland, England, you name it. But doing great music. But them now, we don't really get the highlight they were. That's something the way we are look for from Jamaica. And me
When's
know
the last time you've been here?
last year.
Wonderful.
Yeah. And this is something that I noticed since many years now.
Mhm.
But what I want Jamaica to know too, come here talk to Jamaica now. You see, there's a lot of Jamaican artists who live abroad that a lot of are, if not most Jamaicans, underrate. And they do not know how popular these artists, some of these artists are abroad, even more popular than some of Jamaica's biggest artists who they would rank up. Not that they should not rank them up, seeing, but I am making it clear that this is what happening. You're over. We they on the back front. We they out here so on the ground. We know wagwan. We know it in and out. We are not artists that just pass through and gone. We're there on the back front. So
Mhm.
when we're there, so a bonfire, and we're there, so a lick lightning, and we are blaze fire upon Babylon. And in the heart, I beast belly with it.
Yeah.
A blaze of fire. Then as warriors upon battlefield. You get the drift?
Yes, yes.
Man. And would I love Jamaica, especially the music industry in Jamaica. People who monitoring the music industry in Jamaica. We want to know if you start acknowledge we Jamaicans who they abroad are hold the flag up. We live abroad and we are all Jamaica. We are carry Jamaica upon our back go everywhere. Me carry Jamaica go we are Kosovo, you know. When me go over Kosovo, you know, them say me are the first reggae and dancehall artists come to that place.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? Because nobody want to go to this place. Because this is a war ground where them drop bomb on them thing there.
That's what I was thinking. I'm here like, I wonder if it's the right place in just a while ago.
And I was the bravest man if you took on
Yes.
that trad. I make a Jamaica on my back go over there. Go represent Jamaica as a artist, as an ambassador, and as a peacemaker. And the people them love it. The people them love I over there. Them love the reggae music. Them love the dancehall music. Them crazy.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We out here, so we are there with the music. Yeah, man, we there on a trad, man. Yeah, man. And all we want is some acknowledgement from Uno. Because me feel like Uno act like Uno ignore we. Like Uno know so we out here. We
Do
out
the
here, man.
thing.
I Uno know
Do
so
the
we out
thing.
here now.
Yeah.
Yeah. We out here, I Uno know we out here. Because enough of us, music them play on radio at Jamaica too. You're overs.
Yes.
So we need the acknowledgement from Jamaica. See, not because we live abroad, we are Jamaicans.
Representing the flag.
Presenting the flag, we are carried upon our back. We are carried Jamaica upon our back and we shoulder out here, so.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Because I'm glad you made that point because maybe a lot of Jamaicans feel you're not in the island anymore, so you're no longer a part of us. You leave us behind. When they don't realize you're actually gone to fight the battle, fight the bigger fight,
Yes, exactly. And
and pave the way for who is to
exactly.
come.
Yeah. It's destiny. I mean, look, I I I go to Jamaica every year. Sometimes twice a year, sometimes 3 times a year. Yeah.
What? So
Yeah.
you not pass and me not cuss, you know. You know what that thing say you pass? I'm not cuss. You mean say you come to Jamaica so often and not even one time? One time?
You know what I'm
No,
saying?
sir. You know me and say come to Jamaica again and me not get an interview.
The next time I
Miss
come a
Sir.
yard, next time I come a yard, we have a link up still. You know?
Aye, that me a talk about.
That's what you talk about. You see it? I'm there in Jamaica regular, man. Yeah. You know, I one thing with me, you know, when me left Jamaica, I never threw no stone behind me, you know.
Bop,
See
bop,
it?
bop, bop.
Europe only, but me not change. I the same way, the raw born Jamaica, and I'm the same way.
Same
Go in
say
there.
go.
Go look. Go in there. Go in my kitchen, go look. The Jamaica pot, them in there.
Hey.
Yeah, everything in there.
Mhm.
Yeah, man. Me have my Cersei bush, them, I'm a Guinean weed. I'm all of the things them in there.
What? What
Yeah.
you tell me say? I say you're going?
Yeah, man. So we just there with us, so I do the work and I make Jamaica proud. Because enough places we go and we make Jamaica proud. Yeah. People come and people honor we. You know, see it. I'm not sure you know. Me not lie no Jamaica. I feel like we have to do better because you know so we come out here so and while stranger seeing European people, Chinese, Turkish people, African people, all them type of people there, Indians, you know so they sure with the love where we are look for
Our own.
from our own Jamaican people them.
Yeah.
We don't argue with that love there, you know.
Mhm.
But we
And
are
it makes a difference. It makes a difference.
yeah. But we are get it out there so from strangers.
Yeah. That's crazy though. I tell people all the time. Why does it have to be so?
That's a good question. Why does it have to be like that? You know
You
what I
know,
mean?
earlier someone said that we need to hear your songs more often, or more global Jamaicans and their music. We need to hear them on the radios and the TV more often, because they're saying sometimes they're not aware how well you're doing over there.
Mm. Well, you see, because I think the reason for that is the same acknowledgement that I'm talking about. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's the same acknowledgement I'm talking about. Then, if we would get that acknowledgement from the music industry in a Jamaica, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I know the people would see us more. You know what I mean? And
Yes.
hear us more.
Mhm.
Yeah.
The thing though, you're so right when you say a lot of Jamaicans, even Jamaicans who are here
Mm.
and have been a part of the industry and who I would see as legends in the industry, I don't see them giving them their flowers either. So that's crazy.
Exactly. And I want to make you know, say, me say Jamaica this a whole heap of artists were even based at, me say Jamaica this a whole heap of Jamaican artists were even based, were live at Jamaica,
Mhm.
Yes. And they don't know them artists' status out there, so, Say
Large.
them man, they large and broad out there, so, There's a lot of things that um many Jamaicans may not know. Yeah. Me see many Jamaican kind of shun a whole heap of great artists where right now you have certain artists at Jamaica where they don't really rate them.
Mhm.
Where you see the artists where them rate, send them come to Europe.
Let's say them couldn't fill up the stadium.
And
They
see
couldn't
how
fill up
much, and see how much ticket them sell.
they can't sell to the venue them, eh?
So me I
They
say,
can't make it.
you see the artists them on all this, send them come to Europe. Them have to turn back people. And them think they are going.
Got you.
Yeah.
Got you. Mhm.
Them think they are going.
Mhm. So for us Jamaicans, what do you think could make a turn or a change or have us slowly, you know, um, give some more respect, put some respect on the name of who is doing it out there internationally? Is it that we have to focus on the fact that being out there globally is important too as a Jamaican and not just performing on the island?
You said it, yeah, man. Yeah, exactly.
For Jamaicans to recognize the importance of
Yeah,
what
yeah. I
our
mean,
Jamaicans are doing globally,
yeah,
you know?
I think it's important for Jamaicans um to know the greatness of those artists abroad. You know what I mean?
As you
When them,
say, on the
when,
battlefield, who up on the battlefield?
yeah, who they on the back of field, who where they are, where live a yard where them still now get the ratings there, where them large out abroad. See, because remember this thing, hold on there, 1 second. Me I go tell you something. Me I go tell you something. The TikTok I say me fi match some sitting here. What is?
I know, you just have to match it like a puzzle. So
Yeah,
that thing you must draw it into the space that's empty and fit it in perfectly.
yeah, yeah, I did it, yeah. So look here. I'm gonna show you something, Kisha.
Mhm.
Me have brethren, Jamaican artists will live here so. You know which part them man they tour? Me never go to this place yet. Them are artists, yeah. Jamaica not acknowledge this man, yeah. But them man, they are tour all India. I mean,
Wow.
they say, you must sing Indian music, reggae, raw band reggae.
Mhm.
And in India, them man, they there. Some of we
Exactly.
Indonesia. Some various part of the world, yeah. You overs. We not talk about some man we are going Miami and New York and Toronto in Canada and London, you know. And Berlin
Yes.
and Germany and Zurich in Switzerland, you know. We are
Yes.
talk way out, so. Where many Jamaican or most Jamaican not even know say reggae music accepted at them the place there.
Mhm.
And yeah,
Shocking, Maria, sorry to interrupt you. I'm seeing something from on my TikTok, and you know, TikTok is going weird. But it says that I may have difficulty in about 3 minutes, but if we have any difficulty, we'll just jump back on board, okay?
okay.
I don't know if it's the length of time I've been on, which is weird. I know people who go on for hours, but they're saying I may have some difficulty in 3 minutes or so. But let's continue. Anything happens, you know, so like we're on the board again.
Yeah, man. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Good. Yeah, man.
Mhm.
So me I tell them thing, yeah.
Yeah, man.
These I think these things have to be
Be
taught.
said. This
Yeah,
is
yeah.
this is inside information that the average mind person would not know about.
Yes.
So for the artists who are out there who are aspiring reggae artists who are not yet familiar with touring and the difficulties, one challenges you go through, this is a veteran artist saying to you, this is what we're faced with, and this is what you need to prepare your mind and prepare your audience for. You know,
Yeah.
your potential fans.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Because don't feel no way in Jamaica. Because honestly, with the out there, you know, don't feel say we
In a
not,
rough. Represent and in a rough.
yeah, and we are represent fully.
Hmm.
Musically, we are talking about now.
Yeah. Hmm.
Yeah,
Would you say it, if you know you are informed of Bob Marley's career, would you say he had similar challenges while he was alive?
definitely, of course. Because I think is when Bob made his move and said, yeah, yeah, me I tried out, you know, me I go up and place up, so. I think that's when Jamaica really fully recognized who Bob were when
Hmm.
they see the abroad people start to show up. You know what I mean? I think that's when Jamaica really fully recognized Bob Marley.
Hmm.
Because in him chatting while he was a step on earth, yeah, I think he went through a lot of, you know, you know what I mean?
Yes, yes,
Yeah. And I see many other artists who's, you know, in the same footstep like Bob face the same thing.
yes.
Yeah, yeah.
So, what other or notable experience where Bob Marley is concerned that you can say, boy, this tells you everything? Because when he thought, boy, I have 10 years on my belt and I should be embraced in Jamaica and they've never shown me the love. What are some of the examples or events that you can recall? Is there anything that stands out in your mind where you just him never did get the love out here, man? And couldn't do no better but to step.
Well, when I tell him, I see them put a can in him that he have to take with himself, you know. Have to take with himself and come over in the big island there when you're in England. You know what I mean? So that alone
Tells you,
tells you, you know? Yeah.
where's the love?
Where's the love? You know, man,
Where's the love?
yeah, man, I
You know?
teaching love and unity and all them things that to his people.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
And still that happened to him.
Yeah, it still has happened to him.
That's crazy though.
Yeah.
But Is it that we're still stuck on the notion that foreign better? You think?
Well, the mindset of many Jamaicans are like that,
Hmm.
but in this case, not really that foreign better because
In regards to music, I'm talking, in regards to showing the love for music, our Jamaican people.
foreign.
Hmm.
Honestly, 100%. Foreign people show us, um, maybe not every artist still. Seeing,
Hmm.
I think the dancehall artists them get more love from Jamaicans. But most roots and culture artists get most of their love is from foreign. So in my views, me have to differentiate that to make it clear. You know what I mean?
Got it.
Yeah,
That
yeah,
love is being shown. It's just that a certain type of music,
yeah,
you know.
yeah.
I'm gonna name maybe two artists
Hmm.
and tell me if you think Jamaicans give them their flowers. All right? I may go over to three. To
Yeah,
your knowledge. Okay. How about Sizzla Kalonji?
yeah, man. I think since I get him flowers, I yard still yard and abroad. To be honest. Yeah, because
I
remember when Caesar come out and say black woman and child,
yeah.
Zane and all them thing,
Hmm.
remember say, the whole of Jamaica start wrap up there, and talk
True.
about them. And then it's like a wildfire. As Sizzler make enough German wear bubble rap enough German woman and all them Switzerland woman them all call about I wear turban, Sizzler no one normal somebody,
True, true.
Sizzler know how powerful he is.
Yeah.
I don't think him even know how powerful he is. May I tell you?
Can I say something to you?
Mhm.
I remember saying that to him, and he kind of shrugged his head like, nah. He's like, "Are you kidding me?"
You have to big up Sizzler,
Hmm.
man. You have to big up Sizzler. So me think Sizzler get him flowers in a yard and abroad. Because when Sizzler, I Jamaica. Yo, Jamaica. Sizzler. Oh man,
Yeah.
Sizzler. And me know say, when Sizzler come at them place, right now if I make a show with Sizzler anywhere in Europe, it's full pack.
Yeah.
People are come out now then numbers. You know what I mean? Because I see Sizzler done that many times. When he come on.
Got it.
Anyway,
Got it.
line.
Mhm.
Sizzler
What do
come.
you think about Bugle?
Bugle.
Or would you say that Bugle has a bit more to go? Or you think he should be shown those flowers because he's doing well?
Thing, Bugle somehow a bit underrated. I don't know if that's the right word. Because for artists like Bugle, brilliant, militant youth.
That's what I say. That's what I think too.
Bugle should have there on a higher ranks with the music steppings. You know what I mean? Yeah, I think him not get
The flowers that he deserve.
him not get him full in right share what him forget. And that,
True, true.
in my view, that's the honest truth. You know what I mean? Bugle deserve more than what him a get. Because he's a great artist. When you listen to Bugle write him songs them and him sing them and him even vocal cards them and all them type of thing there. Yeah man.
True.
Bugle are one of the man that
Bugle, yeah.
up
He's
there.
good. It's true.
Yeah man, and
You
him
know?
lyrics and positive youth, conscious, positive vibration. You know what I mean? Style and him flow and him everything.
Yay. True.
Bugle are
That is true.
mm.
Uh, do you Buju was able to fill the stadium. Who else do you think Jamaicans respect like that? Who you think would probably full a stadium? And I'm talking about reggae artists because we've already seen that they love dancehall.
Okay. Reggae
So
artist.
reggae artists, who do you think might be able to do it?
Hmm. That's a good question. That really sent me to my heavens.
We saw Buju do it, and they came out in their folds to see him. And it is also because he hasn't been around for so long at that time.
You mean singly, right?
Yeah, single-handed, yeah.
Okay.
Or is there no one else?
I don't see anyone right now.
Yeah,
And I think the reason why Buju filled that stadium is because of the situation that he came out
just
of.
came out of.
Yeah, yeah. So people was really excited to see if
Yeah,
he have anything left for us, and even his fans and was excited to see him. Some people go because they are fans, they want to see their artist. Some people go to see him. Let me see if him have it, if him still have that lion roar or something there in him.
yes,
And let
yes, yes, yes.
improve himself. You know what I
Mm-hmm.
mean?
Mm-hmm.
And the vibes there. Vibes came out one day. And vibes back the stadium too.
Just
It's
the same
similar situation like Bojo. They might come out of the similar
type of.
situation.
Yeah,
And
yes, yes.
yeah, man. So right now, to be honest,
Nobody else
a single-handed reggae artist right now.
who
Fee,
can feel it.
yeah.
What do you think about Shaggy? You think Shaggy could do it? Sean Paul could do it, but would you recognize them or see them as our traditional Jamaican artists because they've gone so global? Would you see them as that?
Yeah. I had them man and I dance all them I represent. Maybe them do a lot of transition with it. I mean, fuse
The music.
some type of music and use a Jamaican pattern on it and the dancehall style upon it. But regardless, a dancehall them I represent, you know.
Yeah. Mm.
So me give them flowers and me give them them ratings, Shaggy and Sean Paul, because them dip on another level.
Yes.
I mean, and we up so that for them thing there.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't me know them Shaggy could have full stadium still, to be honest. Me not really
Think so.
I don't know if Sean Paul would have feel it neither.
As great as much as we love them and as great as they are globally, you're just highlighting something that is crazy right now. The fact that we truly see them differently.
Yeah, yeah.
It's like a different category. Like once they have gone abroad, it's like, okay.
Yeah, yeah. If you catch Shaggy and Sean Paul go anywhere in Africa, maybe them have to get two stadium and join them, join them in that one. You know what I mean? Cause Africa crazy when it comes to them thing there. Africa? No,
Yes.
man. Africa crazy when it comes to them thing there. But me not think them could have filled the stadium single
Jamaica.
a yard,
Mhm.
you know? And like vibes just came out of lock up
Yes. Being incarcerated or locked up.
in pocket.
Hmm.
Buju came out in the same situation in pocket. But me not think me not see no other artist right now where really can do that.
Hmm. One of the persons on our live says, Kevin says, the music has changed in Jamaica. The things that we appreciate has changed. So no longer do we like we are connected to the authentic Jamaican music as before to give them their flowers. It's going to take some hard work, I think.
To give worded them in this.
Kevin says the music changed in Jamaica.
Mhm. Okay. Well, them change the groove and them change the flow and them thing there. I mean, the younger generation them do it.
Yes.
You know what I mean? But from my
Perspective, your views on things.
from my views,
Yes.
I think what caused the problem is the title that they gave this new thing that they call dancehall. I think the title is they shouldn't call it dancehall. I think if they did named it something else and let it look like it's a new music coming out of Jamaica, this is something fresh. The new generation come with something new. I think it would more accepted. But when the original dancehall massive right across the world who used to this drum and bass and this up tempo dancehall will make them dance till them crazy when them hear it. When them hear this flat thing you know, we call dancehall. It's a watered down thing. No disrespect, but the fact is the name is the problem.
Got you.
The name. Because you cannot compare this to the up-tempo dancehall. And the massive of dancehall supporters out of Jamaica and the diaspora do not love this new dancehall thing. Because them say, I know dancehall that. We not used to this. We don't know what this. You know what I mean? But if it did, for example, then they give the name Aki and Saltfish, for example. You know what I mean? It would be more accepted because it would not align with dancehall, with the authentic dancehall genre.
Got you.
You know what I
Got
mean?
you.
So the authentic dancehall would have still over there start doing thing. And
Got you.
it would have over here so a bill and a take on itself and a take on itself. You know what I mean?
Got
Because the
Yeah.
biggest thing, people saying, I don't dance all this. That's what the people are saying. This is not dancehall. What is this? In my experience, when me dey on show, in Europe and them place here, with all King Kenny, for example, we dey on the road I do some show and all them thing there. Me observe a thing, and me I say it like it is. When we in at the place, them and the DJ them a play music. Whenever time them start to play the new thing here, what them call dancehall, majority of the people they go and sit down.
Oh,
And you will find a few people like lingering around but anytime the DJ put on what a bam bam from Players and Shakademos, everybody get up. If them put on oh na 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 from Bean Man, everybody get up. Mad dancing crazy. Mr. Vegas, I am blessed. Bounty Killer, Bujo Bantan, Sizzler, Capitan. Everybody
yes.
get up. Mad, crazy. And this are when me experience. And this is all me know say. The problem is the title. Because
Got you.
the youth them talented, you know. The young youth them talented and them a do them thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. That is my view.
Got you. Totally. All right. So that is what we're talking about.
1 second, please. Somebody said that Sean Paul sold out in Singapore. Yeah. Of course, Sean Paul. And when Sean Paul go abroad, it more like if you have sold out show. You know what I mean? But backyard on the ground, you see, it's a different thing from over abroad. You have to
Yes.
know that because Sean Paul more accepted abroad than yard.
Yes.
Know that, my brethren? See now who write that? Busy. And that are the fuck. Then, big up yourself. Father cut sleeve. Large up yourself now. Fully took off. Yeah.
Thank you for acknowledging your viewers because we have to acknowledge them, because they're the ones who are pushing it just now.
Yeah, man, yeah,
uh,
man.
Persons who are joining me on the live, thank you so much. Enough blessings to you. It's a wonderful Sunday. We had talked to one of the greats in Germany. I represent the flag, and he's just reminding us that, he's still there doing his part. And likewise, all you got to do is do your part, no matter if you're there yard or you're globally, or, you're there, the US or in Canada, wherever you are, to keep Jamaican artists abroad in mind. You
Yes.
know, Johnny says, bless up.
Yeah, man. Johnny, be good. Be good,
Uh,
Johnny. Big up yourself.
can you remind persons how they can go check out some of your music, please?
Yeah, man. I got some new releases. Like yesterday, we shot a video. Me and my virgin Yamik is a great singer, have a great voice, and we have this single that we put out a few weeks ago titled "Forward I Say,"
Mhm.
and we have Nana Mint. We have Home Remedy, Shakin Murray and Yamik, same way, and we have Jam Dong, Stain, Collab, and but anyway, all of my music are available on all download platform, iTunes, Amazon, but then call it again, Spotify, YouTube, TikTok, you name it.
And remind them where they can go to buy your music, though, not just view it, but actually make purchase.
Yeah, same place on iTunes, Amazon, and all these, iTunes,
Platforms.
iTunes, Amazon. You can buy it. Other download platforms as well.
Mhm.
You can get it available for sale. They
Mhm.
are available for sale. You know what I
In
mean?
business, because there is a okay, like before I move on, I want to acknowledge the TikTokers as well. Persons who are on the live, please just tap on the screen. Let's grow this live. Come on, when they can't watch it on the thing. The big boss himself, Shaki Murray, is here. So when they can't watch it on
Yeah,
the
man.
thing, tap on the
Thump
screen,
up the screen, man. Thump up the
share,
screen.
share the live,
Thump up
and
the
do the
screen.
right thing.
Yeah, man. Thump up the screen, man. Zed.
So
Dollar. Dollar. Big up yourself, Dollar. Dollar, man. All right, you big up yourself, my brother. Article soldier. Big up yourself.
and
Hmm?
for persons who want to send out the gifts, them we're not afraid of gifts, we welcome it.
See,
Send out the roses. We say send out the roses for no. We now wait until our artists are no longer with us. So you know what that means. We're gonna show the love, spread the love, and remind them that they're doing a good job.
yeah, man.
Sometimes they need a pat on the shoulder for say, yeah man, yeah, go on with it.
So,
We're getting there.
I remember the grandmother saying encouragement, strength, labor, so you know, I think,
That is it.
yeah, yeah, man.
Thank you so much for blessing me up on my live. We're not quite finished as yet, but just give me a hint when you're ready for talking. 'Cause I know it's much later in Germany that it is in Jamaica.
Yeah, most definitely. Yeah, man.
I think you're going to 1 o'clock now, 1 a.m.
Yeah, to be sure. Yeah, 7 minutes to one.
Jesus. Okay, so let us talk as fast as we can. So if you really are exhausted by 1 o'clock, you can say, okay, that's a wrap until the next live.
Yeah, man. You say when.
All right. Uh, this month we're going into February month.
Yeah.
January is closing up, and we're going into February month. February month, is the females would know it as Valentine's Day, Valentine's month, but also it is also Black History Month. It is also Reggae month. It is also the birthday of the month of Bob Marley,
Yeah.
and so we have to treat February a little special.
Most definitely.
What song would you recommend for us to listen from your playlist in February? What song are you going to give us to vibe to?
Boy. We love
Yes,
that.
I.
We love a question, yeah.
Yes, I am. What is the song where when we in our car drive, when we, dep on our bike a ride, when we are ease ourselves on in family dinners, recognizing, acknowledging our accomplishments as black people, what we for listen coming from Shaki More?
Well, you know what say? Only one?
You can take time, you not for rush it,
Only one?
More than one. Just go and through it. I'm making a note so we can blast it when February come.
Okay. So I would say them love to hate us.
Them love to hate us.
Yes. And then you have so nice.
Yeah, I like so nice. I like that.
Yeah,
I
man.
was listening to today.
Mm-hmm.
I like that.
And you ever think reparation? Reparation. Yeah. Mr. Government. Why me have so much songs sometimes I don't even remember them. Yeah, man. Sometimes I can't remember my own song them still it up.
And don't worry, a lot of artists say that to me. Like, man, I have so much in that cat. I don't even know which one to tell you about because there's so many of them.
No, man. You know what the thing is? You say anytime I left off of this, I'm gonna lay down.
You go remember.
Maybe all of them start come back now.
Don't worry about it, Shaki Marie. I'm gonna message you, and I want to hear all of them because I'll be playing, a lot of our artists in the month of February. I want to really send it out there to remind our fellow Jamaicans that we have some serious Jamaican artists representing all across the world, and we need to acknowledge them, acknowledge your music, and all that they are offering to us, while we can boastfully wave a flag and have a chin up when we're all over the place.
Yeah, yeah,
That
man.
is the reason why we can walk so proud. It's because of what many of these artists are doing.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
We have to be
sunshine.
reminded.
Sunshine, sure. We know Irai, man. Sleep up in a Zion, Irai. See it? Yeah, man. You're one of the founder. One of the foundation. Irai. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Sunshine, big up yourself. Yeah. Yeah, man. Sorry.
No, no apology. As I said, we have to acknowledge persons who acknowledge you and who are on board on your life, supporting, what you're doing.
Yes, yes.
So give
Definitely.
them, please remember to give them their time.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That's true, Sunshine. He was a very good DJ. Very good chanter. Yeah. Yes, Kisha.
Clarika, Irie, blessings. Thank you so much for joining the live. Remember to tap on the screen, share the live, please, and thank you. We have none other than the great Jamaican German artist Shocking Murray vibing with us and reminding us how wonderful we are both yard and abroad,
Yeah,
and
man.
reminding you how important it is to support their efforts. As I'm saying upon a battlefield,
Yeah,
you
man.
know, it's
Love.
sticky out there. And
Battlefield. We fight many battles out there, so.
And
No.
if our own people don't acknowledge our efforts, then come on now, what's the sense of it all?
Yeah.
It's like, what's the sense? If your own don't acknowledge you, like, gosh, darn it.
Because as much as we get the love out here, mad crazy love, You see, when we now get the love from home, we feel,
It stings differently.
yeah, yeah. Sometimes it really make you want to feel sad too. Sometimes I want to make you feel sad too. Yeah, I tell
Yeah, it's it rests differently on your chest. It's like, why? I saw the thing really set.
yeah, I tell you, man.
And I said it earlier in starting the live that so many artists, it's only when they're on their bed, when they're sick, that we jump around and we say, oh my gosh,
Yeah,
I love that artist.
because
Or when they have finally passed,
yeah, because
I love that artist.
I noticed something since the past few days. I see an artist pass where a few days ago. Seeing, I mean, if you say, trod up Irie, trod up in a higher heights than English. Saying, I mean, notice, well, I know me see them run out with him and thing, you know? Because I look on TikTok like everybody a post him and thing, you know? You know, see it and but then in English me have to say shut up Irie, you know see it. Because and then in English we used to hang out at studio, down a bus out studio from day one, down a Squidly Cole studio. You know see it. Them time the Squidly Cole a produce way. You know what I mean?
Yes.
So Danny English, I want to be long time co-worker from about 1990 in them region there. Well, I used to hang out down a bus out studio. And now me here saying make a move. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Cause when a man move, them say dead in but me not using word there. A man trot out.
Yeah.
Yeah, a man make a move and him gone where him a go. See?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
so trot Irish. Danny English. Trot up Irish. See? Yeah,
Mhm.
man.
Can I ask you, Shaki Murray? A lot of people, like in my history of being in the industry and talking one on one to many of the artists, I would listen to their music, and there are some that I would meet, and I would say, "Yeah, man, this person in front of face, behind back, they're the same person."
Mm,
There are some artists that I can say also, "No, Aya, the
no.
spiritual being that them act like in front of people's face. My gosh.
No, no,
If
no.
only people knew. Them probably would have stopped listening to the music.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. I mean, yeah, I only can speak by from my experiences, you know.
Mhm.
Yeah, yeah, and this is no assumption or anything. It's experience me I speak of.
Mhm.
Where me I tell you say you have some artists in a way they will chant Selassie and they will chant God and Jesus and Lord and sing the most love. But when you know some of them in a real life, you want to take away yourself fast. Yeah, and this is just straight reality, you know. Yeah, man.
Is that, would you call it hypocrisy? What they present to the people, the crowd, the fans, and behind the screen, just someone totally different, similar to what Chronic said.
It's a form of hypocrisy, yes. I mean, it's a form of hypocrisy in a way. You know what I
The
mean?
hypocrisy is great, I think, because you are truly a hypocrite if you present yourself as one thing, and then when people are not around with a
Because
camera, you're
remember,
something else.
words without works can't sustain, you know.
Woo.
You dig? So, yeah, you're supposed to live, well, none of it are perfect, but at
No,
least,
I know this. I'm talking about extreme cases, though.
yeah, yeah, you're supposed to live by your words, the way I sing, you know. Because one thing, you know, Keisha, may I tell you this, you know. You see? Words are powerful something, you know. And you say, so in
Yes.
the universe, you have a thing when they call it evoke, you know. When a man utter a word, you know, and he go out there and evoke, you know, and forward back in a reality, you know. Judgment can go on, you know. See, so here what happen now. You see, all them man them will do them thing, yeah. They have to be careful, you know. Cause lightning will lick them, you know.
Yes, yes.
They own a word, we come back on them, you know.
Hmm.
Yeah, man. And torment them.
Yes.
So it's a serious
Yes.
thing. It's a serious game to play.
Yes.
You know what I
Hmm.
mean?
True.
Yeah. It's a serious game to play.
Hmm. As a as a Jamaican German reggae artist, your family, what pride do they have knowing that you're from Yard? Are any of your children, I'm assuming, born in Jamaica, or are they all German?
Switzerland and Germany.
Got it. Hmm.
You know, so we never thought they sit there yet. Yeah, man. The first me I got thought this is an interview, you know. Yeah, man, my children them born in Switzerland and Germany, you know.
So I mean, I'm sorry.
No, 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 no. Nothing to be sorry about. I mean, yeah. The fact is, it's just the first. It's just the first time. You know what I mean? Switzerland and Germany, man. Yeah.
But how do they see their roots?
Oh, I tell you, they are. proud Jamaicans.
Mhm.
Very, very proud of their Jamaican culture and roots and heritage, everything. Them very, very proud.
That's very nice.
Since they were little so,
Mhm.
I them go Jamaica.
Mhm.
Yeah, man. I carry them go Jamaica from them a baby so till them grow up
Yeah.
big so.
Yes.
Yeah, me still a carry them go yard. They love them Jamaican food. They love
Mhm.
them Jamaican patois. They love everything about Jamaica. They just, yeah. Some of them depend on social media, you know, but they don't really show up. And
Yeah.
if you feed them social media now, a Jamaica written pan feed them thing, you know.
What? Then show off it?
Yes, yes.
We're bossy.
Yeah, man, them what's about them Jamaican man.
Let me ask you another question.
Yeah,
Are any of them interested in music? You're so powerful.
my son,
Your son, what's he doing?
he, he,
Singing?
he do it.
Producing?
He produce himself. He build him own beats. Him write him own text. Him do everything. Him rap. Him build the beat. Him rap. Him mix. Him master. Him do everything by himself.
Wonderful. Do you
Yeah.
think this his start is good, or it would be great for him to, grow a bit more, or I don't know.
Well,
Is he ready for the public to listen to him and embrace him as yet, or not quite yet?
I think,
He's still polishing off.
yeah, I think he still need to learn. There are some things that he still need to learn. But from my experience in regards to music, sometimes it's just one shot. You know what I mean?
Yes, one song makes a difference.
Yeah. One song makes a difference, and it can come out of anything or anywhere at any time. You know what I mean? But it's a brilliant youth. I'm proud when I see him, I do him thing. I'm say, see me there, me that.
We sure. So he writes his own music, you say?
Yeah, he do everything. He
In the future, could you consider collab, father and son?
most definitely, yeah, man. It's something we talk about.
Wonderful.
We talk about, and me have a daughter in Switzerland now.
Yeah.
Since she was like 7, 8, she was already a star in Switzerland because
Yes.
she was in a child group, a children group,
Yes.
and let me show you. Let me talk to you, to her, This is her first CD.
Oh my gosh. Wonderful.
My daughter. This, when she was so small, she in a child.
Yes.
They are very famous in
Yes.
Switzerland. Yeah.
So is that something that you mind persons supporting, or not really? It has probably passed.
No, well, this is it's just for kids.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Just for
Okay.
kids.
All right.
Yeah, and
Okay.
she was produced by some of the finest producers in Switzerland, in Zurich.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
That's exciting. Yay! I love it. I love it. I love it. To me, it's like the worst thing you can do to a child, not to be in the industry and not introduce your child to music.
Yeah. I tell
How
you.
can you do that?
Yeah, man, a real thing, man. A real
That
thing.
is like that is like having your a child that you know belongs to you and leaving nothing and giving everybody else something.
Exactly. That is true.
That's
Come
crazy.
on, but I'm proud of her. I mean, I was so amazed when they came for her,
Wonderful.
Yeah, they
I
took,
like it. I like it.
and I was like,
When you,
they took her to the studio to record, and I was like, what's she gonna do this?
yes.
And we went to the studio, and her demands was she don't want me and her mother inside of the studio.
Got it.
You know what I mean? So
Got it.
she went inside,
Yes.
and I tell you, the engineer said, wow, you never miss a note or anything.
Yes.
And in like half an hour, finish record.
Got it. Wonderful. When you visit Jamaica, what are some of the foods you enjoy out here? Some of the
Well,
places you go.
the food I'm a full joy in a yard, you know.
Is what? On here.
When mama cook now, because me and my mother eat the same type of way, you know. Because
Really?
my mother don't eat meat, me no eat meat. Then,
Yes.
the yard now, mama, we get all the good old gully bean
Mm-hmm.
and the good old callaloo and popcho and them thing there.
Yes.
We all a touch on that now, the good old coconut juice there, you know. With that
Whoa. Wonderful.
them type of thing there, you know. With a, yeah,
Yes.
some nice soft yam and some boiled banana and thing.
Mhm.
Yeah, man, me full jar them food there. Mama cooking. You know what I mean? And the good old roast breadfruit.
Yes.
You know? Me not too
Yes.
full on the rice and the dumpling that much.
Mhm.
Well, me not too eat rice. You know?
Okay.
And the dumpling, me not too full on much I eat. You know,
Mhm.
see, but me boiled banana, me yam man, me pumpkin, and me sweet potato, and me
Mhm.
roast breadfruit, and me boiled breadfruit. And you have one food where they call him flakafla, one can locomosa. See where you cook all the whole life food on my coconut milk. Rasta, sip, seeing
Nice.
that's some gongo peas night and all them type of thing there. That follow you, Joe? Yeah, man, me full jar them thing there when me got yard, you know.
Mhm.
Yeah, man, full jar them thing there. Yeah.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
And the
Um,
good old pudding, you see the good old pudding too? Hey, if my mother bake a pudding again, you know, do make piece of the pudding drop on your toe anyway, you know, cause you got, you know, your toe part, you know. Hey, my mother tap, pudding baker, you know. Yes, man.
let me ask you the question. You see I'm enough? What can we do to get mama for bake with one pudding?
Well,
What we can say to mama for please to her, say, mama, we are begging one pudding, please.
all right. Your mama have to go link up. With a yard. I will link up and mama will bake a pudding, man. And
Don't
thing.
say it.
Yeah, word.
Shaki Marie, you're gonna make me jump and go and fool no, you know. Because I love a really good pudding. What kind of pudding should I have to prepare?
Potato.
Potato. I
Sweet,
love potato pudding.
sweet potato pudding.
Wonderful.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna make you live up to that to the promise, you know. You try to talk to mama, tell her I said Miss Las Vegas want a pudding.
Yeah, man. Most definitely. Yeah, man.
Yes. It's been wonderful talking to you. It is wonderful. I know it is very late in Germany just now for you to sit up so late. I don't want you to go much further because I will definitely invite you in the future to come on board once more and talk more
Yeah.
extensively on the music and even play some tunes. We can juggle some tunes on the day,
Yes.
you know, get your
I
fans on board
I would be happy to
to
come.
give their requests,
Yes. I will be happy.
things of that nature.
Yeah, man.
But I want you to, if you have persons out there that you want to get a shout out to your friends, but also remind Jamaicans why it is important to support their fellow Jamaican artists globally who's representing Jamaica reggae. You
Yeah.
know what I'm saying to you?
Yes. So yeah, man. For real, Jamaican. Um, you know, we need some acknowledgement from Jamaica because Jamaica the foundation for reggae and dancehall music. And we really need that acknowledgement because we are doing some tremendous works out here.
Yes, you are. I love it.
And sometimes we feel a little left out when we just only getting the love from strangers from different, you know, nation of people. Seeing, so you have great artists in England, Germany, Switzerland, all over Europe, in the US, in Canada. I mean, I speak for all the way, where they are abroad are putting great works. Not only artists, also musicians. Then we need them to start acknowledge we and know say we are do great things out here. And the music industry in Jamaica, the people them who sit up in at the top, we need to do something about this. Because no one can do it. Yes.
It takes great artists like yourself who are seasoned in the business to say that, for persons to have a listening ear and say, you know what, we really need to get on the ball with this.
Yes.
You know, give our artists the flowers that they truly deserve while they're walking.
Exactly because yeah, it's a long time I'm reaching out, Because even in the Gleaner, the Observer, the Stars, I always trying to reach out. You know what I mean? That look, we are here. We are on the other side. You know what I mean? Look over here. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yes.
As I said, it's something that is very important and it makes a difference.
Yes.
And we don't want, when a movie comes out, a lot of persons who knew you personally say, and I saw it here, and I saw it go.
Yeah.
You know?
This is where I'm coming from because, hey, I want to tell you something, When you see a whole heap of European come down to Jamaica there, come produce their music and all them type of thing there, You see, enough of them a come out of I and I hands, Enough of them I and I teach them, come boy, I come teach them things. If you know that too, I true we come around and come hype up and say what we do and what we not do. Seeing? Yes. So if you know that too.
But
See?
you tapped on a great topic, and that's something that you may have to be more open with. Speaking to, how you have mentored many of the persons who they may hear.
Yeah.
So they understand where you're coming from and value once more what you're doing for Jamaica abroad.
Exactly.
You know
Yeah. And you know what? One night, I was doing a show with a soul named Tap Franken in a city called Dortmund here in Germany. A young man came up to me, a young man of European descent.
yes.
He approached me and he wanted to thank me for inspiring him to become an artist.
Yes.
Because what he told me, he told me that I am the first artist he ever see perform on a stage when he was like 17, 18.
Yes.
And he become an artist
Mm.
and doing good. And I said, look at that, big up yourself, youth. You know,
Yay, wonderful.
the boy, yeah, a whole part thing we do one thing and thing. Yeah. So big up Jamaica and kind of Jamaica the foundation, Seeing
True. True.
wrong. And when Jamaica say yes, who say
it
no?
make it makes a difference.
Yeah, man. It
It
makes
makes a big difference.
that's exactly. When Jamaica say yes,
It makes the difference.
different and not only a different, but a big, huge difference. Yeah.
So in what we're speaking about is because of the energy that we're lacking from our fellow Jamaicans. Reggae is winning too. Reggae is winning abroad
Yes.
because of the many artists who put in the work. So that is why we're asking for the support,
Yes.
to really raise the flag much, much higher. You
Yes.
understand what I'm saying to you? because we find that a lot of international persons are singing reggae, and even some Jamaicans embrace them more than our own
Yes,
artists who are out there.
exactly.
So that's crazy.
Exactly.
Again, for the lovers of Jamaican music, the lovers of Jamaica, go out, check out what Shaki Mori is doing on YouTube, Spotify, and so many other platforms. And for persons who have not yet followed him, go ahead and follow him.
Yeah.
And if you haven't, what, you have IG out as well?
Yeah. Shakin Murray, same Shakin Murray. Yeah, man, Shakin Murray. Under the name Shakin Murray, IT, yeah.
Okay, so follow Shaki Mori, and if you have any messages, if you have any questions, I'm sure he won't be afraid to just really let you know what's going on. Especially us Jamaicans out here, please and thank you. Follow, support Shaki Mori's music. He's got a whole lot of music. And going into February for Black History Month, Reggae Month, Bob Marley Month, and also Valentine's Day. One of the songs I love for like a girl song is One Man Alone.
That's a sense of music production, you know.
It
Oh,
is
big up Green.
crazy.
Azania, big up yourself. Tanny, my family. Big up yourself. Enough thanks, you know. Zane, we there at the things them not Tanny.
Same so.
Yeah, man. I want my family this when I grew up with, you know. Yeah, one dumpling me used to get an evening time out our plate with DJ. I say, yo, cuz, you're bad enough. No stop doing what you do, you know.
Yes.
This is one of my biggest supporter from here. Little youth up. From a little bit and I grew up. Then, big up yourself, my cuz. Big up yourself, my family. A whole heap of love and respect. And I want to big up Bako promotion from out of Gambia. Seeing Bako, me just attack it in the reason, yeah. Say, I'm coming to Gambia
True.
to Bako promotion. Yeah. Bako promotion there. Seeing big up Bako promotion out of Gambia. One of
Big
the
up back up.
promotion in a Gambia. And them will bring me a Gambia in the next couple of months. See?
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Blessings goes out to you.
Bako promotion is large. Seeing? Yeah.
Anyone else you want to give shout outs and who's on your live?
Yeah, man. They want big up Azania. Seeing Tanya big up, you know. Tanya big up. Patrick, big up yourself. Big up Bako promotion. Big up what is Platinum. Platinum, big up yourself. Saying, yeah man. Big up Dwight. And big up Jackal. Jackal, big up yourself. Everybody big up on yourself on the live and thanks everyone for your time and your support and your love. Always appreciated. See? To the fullest. I mean, I have to big up my mama Jean, you know.
Yes.
And my father that in a one. See? When our mother's there, me tell my mother, Happy Mother's Day. When our father's there, me tell my mother, Happy
Happy
Mother's
fathers.
Day.
Okay.
Big up Mama Jean. You know, see it? I want to big up my brother Daity. Big up Cutty Bronx. Seeing? I may have to big up Antonio Delario. Seeing? My brother that Dan Mary, Mark Mary. We got all of Portland, all of Snow Hill. Seeing? Kisha. A special big up to you, you know. And
Thank you.
thank you for the invitation, you know.
Thank you. Always, as I said, from the first interview, it was a blast. We're just waiting on the right timing,
Yeah, man. Seeing?
and possibly the next time you're in Jamaica, it could be on a stage show to remind Jamaicans say you're there
Yeah, man. Definitely.
and you represent abroad, but you're still there.
Fully.
All right.
Fully. And big up all of my fans, them, you know. Big up all of my fans them on TikTok. All of the people them who support Shakin Murray on TikTok. See that shub me thing, share me video them like, comment, and share. And mad crazy love to you know. Seeing, gone way up a sky and beyond, you know. Way up so full love gone, you know.
True.
Yeah, man, full love when me have fun have no ending, you know. You see, it's a big up on yourself, man, cause you know, me I wanna always interact. You know, when we share our views, I wanna come in at the comment and we reason about it. Yeah, man. A whole lot of love and respect, man. See?
Okay. So can you send us off with, if you do one or two a cappella style songs, just so they can get a hint of your music? I don't know if you can your voice manage it because it's very early.
Um,
Nothing very strong, but a little hint of it, or not yet, not no, because it is 1 o'clock over there. I want persons to know who are on the live that
yeah.
Chucky Murray lives in Germany, and there are certain limitations where the hours are concerned. If you can't do it, if anything, another time we'll plan for it.
We just do a little thing for the fans, man.
Amen.
You know, take a step in on my shoes and you will understand my struggle. Why me a digging at the dirt, searching at the rubble. Have to find some food because me pot it off a bubble. At the same time, me have to stay out of trouble. Have to
Hey,
living, but the system set away. Trying to find a job, but things are get away.
hey,
So innocent poverty took away, realizing to myself that me have to make a way. Believe in myself, keep my heart pure and clean. Receive from myself when me rise to my higher being. Focus on the future and stop living in the past. Create your own jobs and be your own boss. Listen to them facts say that the Rasta man a talk. And not do this and not do this and not load it and not drop. We will
hey,
all the answer to the questions that ask. Ignited like a bomb, like a fire to the touch. If
hey.
you would only know what is going through my thought. Believe in yourself and keep your heart pure and clean.
Man.
Receive from yourself when you rise to your higher being. Right, that's up. Z.
Mad. Thank you so much, Shaki Murray, for taking us out the right way with some bad lyrics and something for us to really think of.
Yes, I.
Moving forward. A lot of us are going through challenges, and
Yeah,
your music helps to keep our chins up and
yeah.
look forward for better. Thank
I'm
you for giving us that message. Enough love from Jamaica
yes, I. Will for love and respect,
to,
man.
to Germany.
Yeah, what? Will for love and
And
respect. Kisha, it was a pleasure.
thank you so much. We'll talk some more, Shaki Mori.
Yes.
But don't forget, remind Mama someone want me pudding, please.
Yeah, man. Most definitely we are going to do that.
All right.
Most
Enough love.
definitely. Enough love
Take
and
care.
respect. And enough love and respect to my fans and everybody on the TikTok. Seeing? Little more.
Later. Till next
Awesome.
time.
Yeah, man. Till next time.
What good.
And love. Likewise.
Yeah,
Res-
man.
Respect.
Wow, that was wonderful.